अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बायो MDCAT इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास टॉपिक है बायोडाइवर्सिटी, ए सेलुलर लाइफ, वैरायटी ऑफ लाइफ। सब टॉपिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ वायरसेस में से MCQs। फर्स्ट MCQ है हमारे पास, वेयर कैन वायरसेस रेप्लिकेट? ऑप्शंस आर animals, plants, bacteria, all of these. Correct option is D, all of these. Next MCQ is, these are largest animal viruses. Options are HIV, pox viruses, COVID-19, HBV. Correct answer is B, pox viruses. Next MCQ is, viruses do not have. Options are fossil record, traces in history, reproductive ability, nucleic acid. Answer is option A, fossil record. Next MCQ is, in plants, tumors are induced due to. Options are bacteria, virus, fungi, all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. Next MCQ is, cell theory does not explain. Options are fungi, virus, algae, protista. Correct option is B, virus. Next MCQ is, which of the following has no nucleic acid? Options are bacteria, virus, prions, viroid. Answer is option C, prions. Next MCQ is, it is a biological weapon. Options are radiation, chemical, virus, all of these. Correct answer is C, virus. Next MCQ is, virus transmission is affected by. Options are biotic factors, chemical factors, physical factors, both A and C. Answer is option D, both A and C. Next MCQ is, viruses are entity between living and non-living. Options are balanced, transitional, threshold, none of these. Answer is option B, transitional. Next MCQ is, virus when attack on unfamiliar organism, it is mutated many times and come as. Options are more virulent and dangerous, more muted, more transmissible, all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. Next MCQ is, viruses are classified into many groups on the basis of. Options are nucleic acid, capsid symmetry, host cell infectivity, none of these. Answer is option B, capsid symmetry. Next MCQ is, viruses use which of the following enzyme for breakdown of bacterial cell wall? Options are lysozyme, lipase, protease, nuclease. Answer is option A, lysozyme. Next MCQ is viral proteins and genome in host cell are assembled at. Options are cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane, cell matrix. Answer is option A, cytoplasm. Next MCQ is virus can bud from. Options are rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, nuclear envelope, all of these. Answer is option D, all of these. Next MCQ is dash refers to removal or breakdown of capsid. Options are uncoating, assembly, integration, maturation. Answer is option A, uncoating. Next MCQ is which viruses enter the host cell as a whole? Options are plant virus, bacteriophages, animal virus, none of these. Answer is option C, animal virus. Next MCQs students are from topic discovery of viruses. So let's start. The branch that deals with study of viruses is known as. Options are entomology, virology, epidemiology, bacteriology. Answer is option B, virology. Next MCQ is lice posture made vaccines for. Options are rabies, anthrax, fowl cholera, all of above. Answer is option D, all of these. Next MCQ is according to Ivanovsky, what are soluble living germs? Options are bacteria, viruses, fungi, both A and B. Answer is option B, viruses. Next MCQ is when was the bacteriophage phenomena rediscovered by D. Harley? Options are 1918, 1917, 1920, 1990. Answer is option B, 1917. Next MCQ is when were bacteriophages discovered by Ward? Options are 1915, 1920, 1910, 1820. Answer is option A, 1915. Next MCQ is virus that was discovered in 1901. Options are yellow fever, tobacco mosaic, bacteriophages, corona. Answer is option A, yellow fever. Next MCQ is earliest life form on earth is. Options are viron, viride, prion, none of these. Answer is option D, none of these. Next MCQs are from topic structure of viruses. So let's start. It is very stable and allows viruses to exist in water, air and the ground. Options are nucleoprotein, nucleocapsid, tail of virus, none of these. Answer is option B, nucleocapsid. Next MCQ is the complete, mature and infectious particle is known as. Options are capsid, virion, bacteriophage, nucleus. Answer is option B, virion. Next MCQ is virus is composed of. Options are nucleic acid and capsid, RNA only, genome, capsid. Answer is option A, nucleic acid and capsid. Next MCQ is protein code of a virus enclosing nucleic acid is called? Options are vector, capsid, plasmid, genome. Answer is option B, capsid. Next MCQ is what molecule would you not expect to find in a retrovirus? Options are adenine, thymine, uracil, guanine. Answer is option B, thymine. Next MCQ is what is the size of parvovirus? Options are 200 nanometer, 30 nanometer, 20 nanometer, 100 nanometer. Answer is option C, 20 nanometer. Next MCQ is the viral DNA or RNA is protected by. Options are shell of lipid, shell of protein, shell of carbohydrate, shell of amino acid. Answer is option B, shell of protein. Next MCQ is what type of virus is the smallpox virus? Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA virus, RNA virus. Answer is option A, DNA enveloped virus. Next MCQ is what is the viral nucleocapsid made up of? Options are genome and capsid, capsid and spike, envelope and capsid, capsomere. Answer is option A, genome and capsid. Next MCQ is what type of viruses is the poliovirus? Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA naked virus, RNA naked virus. Answer is option D, RNA naked virus. Next MCQ is herpes simplex are caused by which virus? Options are adenovirus, pox virus, influenza virus, herpes virus. Answer is option D, herpes virus. Next MCQ is what type of virus is the herpes simplex virus? Options are DNA enveloped virus, RNA enveloped virus, DNA virus, RNA naked virus. Answer is option A, DNA enveloped virus. Next MCQ is the number of capsomeres found in adenovirus capsid is. Options are 162, 200, 252, 155. Answer is option C, 252. Next MCQ is the number of capsomere found in herpes virus capsid is. Options are 162, 200, 234, 155. Answer is option A, 162. Next MCQ is the genome of virus includes. Options are deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid, amino acid, deoxyribonucleic acid or ribonucleic acid. Answer is option D, deoxyribonucleic acid or ribonucleic acid. Next MCQ is viruses without nuclear envelope are called as. Options are icosahedral virus, naked virus, enveloped virus, bilayer virus. Answer is option B, naked virus. Next MCQ is which of the following are main functions of capsid? Options are determines the antigenic specificity of virus, protects genetic material from nuclease attack. Option C both A and B. Option D none of these. Answer is option C both A and B. Next MCQ is which of the following statement explain why viruses are only able to multiply in living cells? Options are their binary fission is controlled by host cell gene. Viruses do not possess the necessary component for self-replication. DNA is only able to replicate inside living cell. They have only enough genetic information for DNA replication. Answer is option B. Virus do not possess the necessary component for self-replication. Next MCQ is a chemical component that is not found in all viruses is. Options are protein, DNA, lipid, RNA. Answer is option C. Lipids. Next MCQ is a common polyhedral capsid shape of viruses is. Options are pentagon, cube, icosahedron, pyramid. Answer is option C. Icosahedron. Next MCQ is identify the true statement about virus. Options are viruses were discovered 2 billion years ago, viruses came from outer space, viruses evolved from before bacteria, viruses can infect all type of cell. Answer is option D. Viruses can infect all type of cell. Next MCQ is the average diameter of large viruses is approximately. Options are 100 to 160 nanometer, 100 to 200 nanometer, 100 to 360 nanometer, below than 100 nanometer. Answer is option B, 100 to 200 nanometer. Next MCQ is what are the subunits of capsid? Options are capsomere, flagella, hyphae, septa. Answer is option A, capsomere. Next MCQ is viral envelope is composed of. Options are proteins, glycoproteins, lipids and proteins, all of the above. Answer is option C, lipids and proteins. Next MCQ is it refers to the final changes within an immature virion that result in an infectious virus particle. Options are assembly, coating, integration, maturation. Answer is option A, assembly. Next MCQ is all of the following descriptions regarding viral multiplication and nucleic acid are true except that. Options are viruses contain DNA or RNA, not both. Viral messenger RNA, viral transfer RNA, and viral ribosomes are used in viral replication. Viruses replicate only in living cell. Viruses use the cell's biosynthetic machinery to synthesize copies of them. Answer is option B. Viral mRNA, viral tRNA, and viral ribosomes are used in viral replication. Next MCQ is which of the following is not true of a virion? Options are reproduce independently, contain DNA, contain RNA, extracellular. Answer is option A, reproduce independently. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमारे MCQs कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. होपफुली आपको समझ आ गए होंगे. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क इन कमेंट सेक्शन. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई YouTube चैनल. थैंक यू.